Want to know how to use affiliate tools for white label or reseller programs? In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the essential tools you need and how to make them work for you. White label and reseller programs are a powerful way to grow your business by offering other people's products under your own brand. But the key to success lies in using the right affiliate tools. These tools not only make the process smoother, but also help you track and optimize your sales. Stick around because I'll show you exactly how to leverage these tools to set yourself up for success. Let's start with one of the first tools you need: affiliate dashboards. When you're in a white label or reseller program, you'll often be given access to a dashboard where you can monitor your sales, commissions, and performance metrics. This is where you can track your efforts and see how your affiliate links are converting. The best tools have user-friendly dashboards that make it easy to understand how you're doing and which products are performing best. The second important tool is your tracking link generator. When you join an affiliate program, you'll get unique tracking links for each product or service. These links allow the software to track sales back to you. Using a link generator, you can create custom links for any product or promotion, which can help you better segment your traffic and track exactly where your conversions are coming from. Next, let's talk about marketing assets. White label and reseller programs typically offer you a range of marketing materials: banners, email templates, landing pages, and sometimes even complete websites. These resources are designed to make selling easier. The best affiliate tools will allow you to customize these materials to match your brand, so your promotions look professional and consistent with your business identity. One of the most powerful tools available is automation. Many affiliate tools, including the software we'll be using today, allow you to automate repetitive tasks like email marketing, lead follow-ups, and social media posting. By automating your efforts, you can save time and focus on scaling your business. Another essential tool is analytics. You can't grow without knowing what's working. Your affiliate dashboard should offer in-depth analytics on things like click-through rates, conversion rates, and ROI. This helps you see where you're making the most money and which areas need improvement. Using analytics properly can give you a huge advantage in the competitive world of affiliate marketing. Before we move on, I want to remind you that the software we're using in this tutorial offers an exclusive free trial for viewers of my channel. If you want to follow along and see these tools in action, check out the link in the description below. Now, the key takeaway from this video is that using the right affiliate tools can make or break your success in white label and reseller programs. Focus on dashboards for tracking, link generators for promotions, marketing assets for branding, automation for efficiency, and analytics for growth. The more you leverage these tools, the faster you can scale your business. To recap, get comfortable with affiliate dashboards, create custom tracking links, use the marketing assets available, automate your workflow, and dive deep into your analytics. And remember, you've got that exclusive free trial to make sure you're using the best tools available. Don't forget to take advantage of the free trial in the description below and get started today.